Did you know that one of the most iconic Filipino dishes, known for its golden crispy skin and tender meat inside, was actually born in a heritage restaurant that has been a family favorite for decades? Stay tuned to find out which dish we're talking about. This is Legacy Bites, where we uncover the timeless flavors that shaped our culinary heritage. We wanted to go to the oldest branch we know, the one along EDSA Green Hills, only to find out that it has already closed. But good news, we were told it has moved to Green Hills Mall and has been rebranded as Kapistahan sa Barrio Fiesta. Barrio Fiesta was founded in the late 1950s by Sixta Evangelista Ongpauco, lovingly known as Mama Chit. What started as a small eatery in Caloocan, serving traditional Filipino home-cooked dishes, quickly became a family dining institution.
From a humble kitchen to a national favorite, that's true Filipino food legacy.
And here's a delicious bit of history. Mama Chit invented the now famous crispy pata by accident. Using leftover pork legs that were usually reserved for soups, she decided to deep fry them instead to create a crunchy, flavorful dish that soon became the restaurant's signature and eventually a staple in Filipino celebrations everywhere. The new branch inside Green Hills Mall feels more modern and convenient. No more parking hassles, yet it still carries the same spirit of festivity. The moment you walk in, you're greeted with familiar Filipino hospitality and the aroma of classic home-cooked dishes. And of course, the star of the show, their crispy pata, still tastes exactly how we remember it. Golden, crunchy, and tender inside. Truly one of the best. We also ordered their Kare-Kare, which comes as a bundle with rice and drinks, a perfect pairing that completes the classic Filipino feast.
Best combo ever. Crispy, saucy, and oh so satisfying.
If you love stories of heritage food that continue to thrive, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss our next Legacy Bite. We're happy to share that even with the rebranding, the flavor remains faithful to the original. The first bite took us back. Nostalgia on a plate. Truly, this is reliving the past in modern times. Now located in Green Hills Mall as Kapistahan sa Barrio Fiesta, the restaurant stays relevant to today's diners while preserving the taste that defined Filipino dining for generations. Barrio Fiesta isn't just a restaurant. It's part of our cultural identity. Its dishes, especially the crispy pata, help define what Filipino celebration food looks and tastes like. Rich, hearty, and made for sharing. Trivia answer reveal. The answer? Crispy pata, the iconic Filipino dish that found its fame and perfected flavor in the kitchens of Barrio Fiesta. If this story made you crave crispy pata or reminded you of family feast, don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment below. And of course, subscribe for more legacy bites that celebrate Filipino culinary heritage.